Hi guys, it's Tasha Creep, and today I'm going to show you how to take an oversized t-shirt like this and turn it into a cute tie-up with a very long stringy bow. All you're going to need is scissors, a t-shirt, and a ruler for this. However, if you'd like to pick the seams instead of cutting them out, that is optional. I, however, found it very easy to cut out instead because I'm a very lazy person. You're going to start by cutting out the collar and then cutting off the ends of the sleeves. Once done, you're going to trim that up so it looks smooth, and then stretch out the cuts that you have made. If you decide that you would like to finish the seams, I would suggest picking the seams apart instead of cutting. This gives you a little bit more room to finish. Once this is done, I like to add a small slit to the front of the t-shirt. This is completely optional and it's just for style. After that, I cut off the bottom hem of the t-shirt. Once that's done, you're going to want to fold your t-shirt in half like this. Measure 6 inches up from the bottom and mark it on your t-shirt. Then, measure 3 inches out from that, and mark that. Then, 3 inches down from that mark, creating a parallel line from the hem. Slice both sides of the folds. Then, draw a line 3 inches down parallel to the hem, and slice that all the way to the 3-inch mark on the other side. Round off the 2 corners and stretch out these ties. Then you can tie it in a bow and have this cute t-shirt. It's great for parties or just casual events. Thanks for watching!